Hello friends, today let us learn about simplifying the Citrix alerts by integrating it with Microsoft Teams. My name is Samuel Abraham. I'm a technical architect specialized in cloud and visualization technologies. We are simplifying the Citrix alerts by using webhooks. Let us see how we can do that. The configuration includes three steps. The first one is to create the Citrix alert. Once you create the Citrix alert, you need to create and configure an incoming webhook in your MS Teams channel. Once the webhook is created, you need to copy that webhook and then add it into your Citrix alert. Here, I am in the Citrix console. I go to Monitor, Alerts. You need to first create a policy, or you can use the existing policy. Here, I am going to create a new policy. So we will provide the policy name and the description. Once it is done, then you need to basically select the condition. Here, I'm going to select failed machine as a condition, and I will provide my thresholds. Once it is done, you can either scope it to the entire site or to a delivery group or to a user AD group. Once it is done, you can see that there is a webhook URL option. Skip that, click on save. So we have successfully created our Citrix policy. The next step is to get the webhook. For that, I navigate to my Microsoft Teams. Under Teams channel, I'm going to create a new channel. So I click on three dots, click on Add Channel to add a new channel. Once the channel is created, you need to manage the channel and go to Connectors, click on Edit. We are using incoming webhook for doing this configuration. If it is not there, you can search and add it into your. Once it is done, you need to basically provide a name for your webhook. You can add a customized image and click on create. Once the webhook is created, it will generate a URL. This webhook URL need to be copied. So I copied the webhook URL. I came to my Citrix alerts. In my alert, I go down and provide the webhook URL here. Once it is done, click on save. That's it. You are done with your configuration. Now let us enumerate this issue. So I enumerated a failed multi-session OS. You can see that the alert got generated in my dashboard. So this bedroom machine is failed to start. Let us see if the same alert has been generated in the Teams. So I am in my MS Teams channel. We'll wait for a minute to see if we get the Citrix alert. There you go. Citrix webhook alert got created, and you can see that it has all the required details. So your engineer don't want to wait for an email, or he don't want to basically miss any alert. You can configure this and you can easily resolve issues on spot. You can integrate this with Slack and ServiceNow as well. Hope this video is helpful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks again.